Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Lexus hybrid here, NX300 LS, NX300 sorry, on a 2015-2016 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the service light. This particular model is a hybrid, so it is 4.4 litres. I will have, I will have the information on how to reset the service light. But I'll just show you how it's done. So it's a keyless entry. Don't press any brakes or anything. Switch the ignition on. You press and hold the button again. That's the ignition on now. As you can see right in the middle there, it says depress brake and power to start. We don't want to start her up, so all we do is press the back button. I then press the home button right here, so it's already on home. So I then scroll to the right, which I use these buttons right here. Go into settings. Now I'm in settings. As you can see, the wheel right at the top there. Press back again. This keeps popping up. I then scroll down. Keep going down. You can even reset the tire pressure monitor system on this as well. Yeah, that's the TPMS. If you wanted to get rid of your tire pressure system, but we don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want to do the oil, which here for some reason the display is not really showing because it's too bright. So if I get the camera angle a bit more to the right, press back up, that's it. Oil maintenance, as you can see. So all I now do is press the middle button, which is this one right here. So I need to press this, press back again, press OK, and now it says, do you want to reset the oil? Yes, up and down. So I'll go yes, press OK again, which is that button there. Now the data has been reset. That's all you got to do once you've done the service on this particular model. And if there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And like I said, you can even reset the tire pressure monitor system by doing the same thing again, going into the menu and then do what you got to do right here. Thank you. Goodbye.